Hello, my name is Jonathan Meza.
Hello, my name is John Olivero.
And hello, my name is Jason Deniz. And together we're stock team number 5 in Dr. Shiroki's Spring 2016 Finance 120 class. And today we're going to discuss our stock track project.
This is a summary of our project. We started the stock track on February 15, 2016 and ended the project on April 22, 2016. Stock track is a simulated trading application that can be used by anyone to buy and sell stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and options. A broking account is created by its members and a password is used for entry into the account that allows the members to invest up to $100,000 during a 10-week period. StockTrack creates a contest between other students to determine which students can perform the best in the buying and selling of stocks in the stock market. The stock market application gives a first-hand view and knowledge on how the stock market functions and gives an opportunity for the members to practice theories and methods of buying and selling of stocks that are learned in the classroom. Because of our goals and philosophies, we decided to select stocks at a middle-of-the-road approach. We chose technology, gold, energy, and retail sections of the stock market. Our goal was to generate a high return while investing in stocks that had betas under 1 as well as over 1.
We research stocks by using Yahoo Finance, BarChart app, and StockTrack website. We use historical data and beta to pick our stocks. We chose different stocks in different sectors and industries to diversify our returns. Some of the stocks we decided to invest in were Amazon, Yahoo, Nike, Fossil, Siberian Gold, Argos Therapeutics, Sanchez Energies, Air Transport, and Whiting Petroleum Corporation. As a benchmark to compare our stocks, we decided to use 500 index, which compares the top 500 companies, and the QQQ index, which focuses on technology. When we compared our portfolio to these indexes, they turned out to be similar.
So gains and losses. As for our gains and losses, we did fairly well. On our portfolio, we calculated about an average 6% return, with only 2 stocks that had a negative return. There were times during our investment periods, however, where we did experience some big losses. There were some investments that lost about 15-17%. However, we waited and we stuck through them, and most of them paid off. However, seen by the data of our investment portfolio, some of them didn't. But we did have 3 top stocks. One of them was Siberian Gold at 14% overall return. Another was Yahoo that had a 21% overall return. And our biggest return was in Whiting Petroleum that had a 25% overall return. Overall, our portfolio on StockTrack ended returning a little over $4,000, which gave us a 4.55% return on StockTrack and a portfolio value of over $104,000. Overall, the portfolio gave us a ranking in the top 50% of StockTrack competition, which we thought was fairly well for our first time investing in this. We learned a lot of lessons while doing this project. We learned that we need to stay more on top of our stocks than we did. We met every Tuesday, but we just did more on research. We didn't really look too much into the stocks that we had, and we should have looked more into the stocks that we had and looked at more patterns in order to sell while they were at their peak instead of waiting a little too long when they went down and hoping that they would go back up. We learned that we need to take more chances on selling as well, because we would wait a little too long. Some of them we waited all the way until the end of StockTrack, which did hurt us a little at the end because about 3 days before we could have sold and had an overall portfolio value of about 8 to 9%. So we should have sold around that time. So that was a lesson that we learned as well. But overall, we learned about the StockTrack markets, what its riskiness is. However, we also learned about the rewards that it can benefit as well. We gained a lot of knowledge and experience on what the stock market is and how we can work it and what we can do in the future to have future success in investing.
Overall, we believe this project was a success.
We learned many new things and gained much knowledge. We'd like to thank Dr. Shiroki for giving us the opportunity to participate in the project and for helping us along the way.
Thanks again, Dr. Shiroki.